Here today connecting up a trencher to the Posi track. I'm just driving in and lining it up with the backing plate, and then I just flick up the boom back towards me. Then we will just take up the roll bar and connect up the locking pins. So to do that, you just put those levers down. You probably will only have 2. In our case, we have 4 because we have an adapter plate on there, as the Rt-30 has a smaller hitch than the universal hitch. And then we're just going to go back in, put it back down to the ground and connect up the hydraulics. Up here can release the case drain, give it a wipe. These are pretty clean anyway. And that one goes down here. And it's just a case of pushing them into place. This machine is really good for connecting. You don't usually have any problems with it. Now I'll just give you guys a demonstration of that turning to show that it's all connected properly. So we're just going to disconnect. So as you can see here, we've got 2 levers. That's because the Rt-30 is a smaller universal hitch, and all of our attachments are a standard universal hitch size. So we had this plate made up by Noam over in Queensland. So you just literally flick this up. I'm going to keep the backing plate on because I still have to move this afterwards. And flick up this one. And then just press the pressure release. Make sure that this little ball lines up with your quick hitch. And then that's one off. And same with the bottom one. Usually, oh yeah, the ball is just ever so slightly off center. There you go. And that is pretty much how you disconnect. So I'm just going to drive out now and just go like that basically.